Okay, my mechanic friends out there who's having issues with this Corvette, the AC compressor clutch will not engage and you have no air conditioning, and you probably just did the retrofit, just like here we did the retrofit kit on this, and we know there is Freon in the car and it's full of Freon, and I put 1.5 pounds in there and to see what's going to happen. Now with these, there's a couple of sensors and switches that's over here. That's bad. That goes bad a lot. But before you change anything on this, you gotta get the codes from the control unit, climate control unit. So easy way to do that is press the up and down buttons here on the blower motor, and then you will display 00. Once you display 00, it will flash. Zero zero. So you gotta press, and then a couple of seconds let go. You go 00 and press auto. And then code 9. Code 9 on this from the diagnostic chart that we have means that the low side pressure switch is reading no Freon, which is that switch right here, reading low Freon, and that will disable the clutch, will not engage. So all you have to do is disconnect the battery right there and connect it back on, and you should be good to go. There we go. Now the compressor is on and the compressor is working, it's sucking and blowing, it's doing its job, and we got AC inside. Yep, let's turn the fan on all the way. Hi. Now as you see, the auto light is not flashing anymore. Put on face. Temperature down all the way 60. So that's how you get codes from here. Press and hold, let go, press the auto button, and then you will have the codes pop up. The outside temperature is 100 degrees right now. It is true. And we have the blower motor on high speed and auto button. There goes the compressor. Kicks in. And you see the fan comes on now. Nice and high. You can hear it. Alright. Looking good. A little bit more Freon. Thanks for watching Ozzy's Auto Repair here in Whitehall, New Jersey.